Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I wanted to make this quick video on GameStop. I actually opened up a pretty nice position. It's almost like 5K position on GameStop. It seems extremely likely, like I told you guys in my previous video, that bullish pattern on the 30-minute is historically it's worked out like 99% of the time. More than likely today we are going to be closing a bullish week on my indicators on my reverse MACD. Once we close a bullish week, it's been 100% accurate with the week when the week after it rallies like absolutely crazy. Usually it's about a $50 move. So whatever we end up, whatever the bottom is of today, so as of right now, bottom for today is 131. So I would think that roughly by next week, we are looking at 180 plus GameStop on Tuesday. I do not think it'll happen on Wednesday because Wednesday is when earnings is for GameStop, and usually 100%, like 99% of the time on earnings, GameStop usually dumps extremely hard. So my plan is to sell everything Tuesday morning and then wait for, and then more than likely right before we close on Tuesday, buy a bunch of puts. Because generally what's going to happen is on earnings, they're going to have GameStop close. At least there's a high probability of that happening. But as of right now, the weekly seems like it's going to be closing. It's almost kind of a guarantee right now. But again, we don't know, right? We have another 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 7 more hours of trading. So if we do close a bullish week, look at it this way. If GameStop closes today somewhere between the range of 138 plus, I think we'll close a bullish week. But again, I'll update you guys like around 12 o'clock and let you guys know if GameStop is actually going to be closing a bullish week or not. More than likely, I'm probably going to just be holding all of my calls up until Tuesday, unless today, for whatever reason, I do get like a full 100% return. Then for sure, I'm going to sell half and then let everything else ride, right? But we'll see what happens. If we do close that bullish week, though, I'm probably going to double down on calls. And then more than likely, I'm going to be out of everything Tuesday morning to kind of see what happens, especially after a long weekend and a bunch of bullish news coming in today. I do see this rally, or the overall stock market rally pushing till probably Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we'll see some sort of retracement. But I don't know yet, right? But as of right now, definitely bullish on GameStop. I think if we close above, like I said, 138 plus, I think we'll see a bullish week, but I don't know the exact price, and then we'll kind of go from there. But yeah, GameStop touches 140. Definitely thinking that we're going to keep pushing up. My target right now is about run up around 180 plus, and then we'll kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.